Hey, what's up, people? This is Saurabh welcoming you back to another video on my channel. And today I'm gonna tell you how you can make money on Facebook without buying any ads. And if you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. So lot many people come to me and ask me, Saurabh, I want to get started with making money on Facebook. And there are so much information out there. What is the best way to get started? So make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be giving you all the information which you need to get started with Facebook. And you don't need to spend any money on ads or for any other tools. So make sure you watch this video towards the end and take full notes, as there is a lot of information out there for you guys. So let's jump straight into my computer and I will show you how it needs to be done. So there are some assumptions which I'm going to make. Okay, so that assumption is that you have already found a niche for yourself. You have found a product in that niche that provides a minimum of $100 commissions. And why I'm saying $100? Because for all the effort which you're going to put in, guys, you would want at least $100 commission, nothing less than that. If you found a product which gives you more than $100, that is thumbs up from me. That's perfectly fine, but not less than $100. So you found a niche, you found a product. The next thing which you need to take care of is your mindset. Your mindset should be of providing the value. You should be out there building your audience, building relationships, helping out people. That should be your mindset. The money should not be in your mindset. If you just go after the money, it will not come. But if you think from helping out the people, serving the people, the money will follow as well. So you need to go out there in the market. You need to build your goodwill. You need to share your experiences, share your stories. Now people will say, okay, Saurabh, I'm just getting started. I don't have any story. I don't have any experience. So what should I'm going to share? Well, you can share like why you are getting started, why you want to go into online marketing, what is your why, because there could be number of reasons why you would want to come into online. Maybe you would want to replace your job, your 9 to 5 with an online business. Maybe you want to earn some extra along with your 9 to 5 job. Or maybe, you want to be financially free and you just want to go full time in online marketing. So there could be a number of reasons, and that is what you need to share with people, because there are similar people out there. Maybe there is someone who is also doing 9 to 5 and they want to get started. And once they see you sharing your experiences, they will connect with you, they will resonate with you. And that what's build an audience. So now coming to the actionable steps, what actions we have to do on Facebook in order to make money without buying any ads. So the first thing you're gonna get started with is your profile branding. So by profile branding, what I meant is you should have a cover picture which should have a message to your target audience. There should be a nice clean headshot, that this is the headshot. Should be not wearing any kind of sunglasses in the picture, because you would want people to look into your eyes. You want to look into eyes of the people, right? So this is the branding. This cover picture, you could create it yourself for absolutely free on canva.com, or you can outsource it to fiverr.com as well for maybe $5 or $10. The next thing which comes in the branding is your bio section and your featured image section. So in the bio, again, you could put a message to your audience, and you could put the link to your funnel. If you don't have a funnel, that is perfectly fine. You could put a link to the offer which you are promoting, and you could use bit.ly to just shorten the link. And then in the featured image, again, it could be something. If you have already got a lead magnet, then you could put the link to a lead magnet, or you could put a generic thing about yourself, or you can create a Facebook group and make a call to action to join that Facebook group. So that comes under branding part. So now you have done the branding. Now what next you have to do? You need to post 2 times daily on your profile for the first month, and you need to follow the RVL method. So what is RVL method? It is the results, value, and lifestyle. So you need to make the posts which are based on your lifestyle. You could share the results. So if you don't have your own results, you could share the results of your team members who are in the same program or the product which you are promoting. And you should be putting out the value-based posts. So something like this is a value-based post where I'm addressing a pain point of my target audience, where I'm giving them some tips, giving them some value, and even through a motivational quote you could provide some value. So it's all about relationship based posts, so valuable post and lifestyle based post, and you need to make those posts 2 times in a day, and make sure that you spread out the post. That maybe you made one post in the morning and then the next one you are doing it in the evening. So you need to just split testing the times, different times which works for you based on the audience you have in your profile. So accordingly you could make posts, but you need to make 2 posts. Then the next thing which you have to do is you need to spend 45 to 60 minutes per day engaging with your friends' timeline. So what that means, you need to just go into your home feed and just start engaging with people. Start hearting and putting a comment or something like this. So make sure that you read the post. Do not put some random comment. So just read the post, heart that post, and put a valuable comment, and just continue doing this for maybe, if you don't want to do it in one go, then maybe you could do it like in batches of 15 minutes. So for first 15 minutes, just continue doing this thing, hearting and putting the comment, and that also warms up your Facebook feed. So when you make your post, then your post is going to be visible to more people in their news feed. So before making a post, do it for 15 minutes. After making the post, do it for another 15 minutes. And then you can do the same for, in batches of 10-15 minutes for total of 1 hour throughout your day. The next thing which you need to do is post once per day in a group in your niche. So maybe there are so many groups out there based on your niche. So let's say make money online. So there are different make money online groups. So make sure you join those groups. And there could be some groups where people are just spamming their links. So I don't want you to spam links in those groups. Just find the groups where people are engaging. There is engagement going on. People are asking questions. People are replying. So make a post, provide some value out there. Put your post in that particular group. Do it every day in that group, or maybe you could also find 2 or 3 groups, and you could just post once in each day in that group. Okay, the next thing which you need to do, you need to add 25 to 30 new friends per day. And you do not have to add them in one go. You could just add them like 10 in the morning, 10 in the afternoon, and 10 in the evening. And from where you need to find these people, the friends that is going to be your target audience, from different marketer fan pages, from different ads which you see in your profile, because those are the targeted ads. So you must be interested in that niche or in that topic. So that is why those ads are being shown to you. So you could add people from those ads as well, and people who engage with your posts in other groups and as well as on your profile. So you need to add those people as your friends, and that is how you build your target audience. And the next thing which you need to do, you need to reach out to every person who accepts your friend request. And you can just reach out to them with this kind of message. You could probably take a screenshot, just write it down somewhere. So what I usually do, I just send them a message: thanks for the connection, I love connecting with like-minded people. In case you don't already know me, I teach how to get results in your business from free organic Facebook strategies. Tell me more about yourself and what you do, man. Maybe we can help each other. Cheers, Saurabh. So that's a message which I just send out to people who accept my request. And that is how, guys, you need to start that conversation, and you need to see like what problem they are facing and how you can solve those problems through your products. So that is how you do the Facebook organic marketing. That is the right way to do Facebook organic marketing, and that is how you make money online on Facebook without buying any ads. I hope you have taken notes throughout this video. Otherwise, you can just take the snapshot of this particular page which you are seeing right now, and just be consistent with this. Follow this. Do not get disheartened if you don't get some results in 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. See, it's all about taking action consistently and sticking to one thing at a time. So if you are focusing on Facebook, just focus on Facebook. Learn every damn thing about Facebook. Learn everything about Facebook stories. Learn about Facebook lives. Whatever element, different components are there about Facebook, learn everything about Facebook if you're into Facebook organic marketing. So guys, that is all I wanted to cover in this video today, and I hope you got some value. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And if you would like to know my #1 method to make money online, and that is through Facebook, the link to that will be in the description down below, where I will be telling you how you can turn your Facebook profile into an ATM. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.